Hello, today I just finished putting all the roof rams that I ordered and some of the parts for the hydraulic system for the roof because it wasn't working. Today we're going to test it. It's not, I've got to put all the other stuff in, but for now just for testing. And I'm going to leave that off. I'm going to road test the car and double check the hydraulics if it's leaking on this car, but it's probably alright now because I've done it up already. Just going to torque up the bolts to the right settings. Alright, I'll open the roof. The roof tastes good, as you can see. I've got to clean this all up later and put a new drain for this car, make my own drain up, double check everything, and then I've got to put it back again. Okay, close the roof. All the windows go up. Okay, that's good. This is like good job, this one. Very happy with that. So I've just got to do some few adjustments and then go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.